So yeah, recording started now. Hey all, we are back again here in this college canteen.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Yeah,
Hello
We are back
everyone.
again.
Hello everyone.
Hello canteen family.
yeah. So this is Sunday, and this is going to
As
be
usual.
a session, right, Rishabh?
Yeah.
So you all are ready
So
with
you
your essays, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
little
little
bit.
bit.
So let's discuss the topic first, like what were the topic of our essays, and after that we'll slowly start with it.
Yeah.
So let's start with Pranjal only.
Yes. So my topic is history from below, and after Second World War means he discuss that means covered after Second World War means the area or place like in Cold War means in Second World War like it is I think Cold War, when so
Yeah.
Yeah.
when British means uh, what we can say means भगाया गया
Occupied
like
conquer.
uh,
Which meaning?
so means when British came in this side means he ruled out in this area.
Yeah,
So
in
yeah, he so after that the like means sociology and democratic and the ideology means these all the parts of that discuss about this how the means uh, about thinking about the democratic means now the government means the after freedom means a country like got freedoms by the Britishers, then what people think and government think and how the government started at that time. This all
okay, okay.
covered in that.
Wow,
This
that's vast.
below.
Yeah.
So
That's
one
the interesting topic.
yeah,
Yes.
it is interesting when I take interesting.
Okay, okay. That's good.
So,
Anubhav?
Anubhav, yeah, what's your topic?
Yeah.
My topic is like how Europe becomes so rich.
Okay,
Oh,
Okay, okay.
it,
that's interesting.
Yeah. So how
yeah.
they grow and how they capture uh, the whole market and no, and in that essay they all all other discuss about how Europe becomes so rich.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
and
Amit?
Amit, yes.
Yeah. My topic is history and philosophy should reveal to us the strange and wonder.
Okay, you know. So what's in that, like specifically anything?
Uh, in, in that essay, mainly author is described about author try to explain. Uh, it start with obvious pre-plextile um, realization of strangeness of everyday, like making our head swim, uh, and history works to make sense of things uh, through crossing from the present to past, and also it from the physical world to the spiritual world,
Okay, okay.
Okay, got that.
and uh,
Right. And what was your topic, Rishabh?
Actually, my essay title was Reach Witches.
Rich witches.
Yeah.
It's a funny
It is
actually.
basically, yeah, it is the not yeah when I read the name of topic I think it is funny, but it is
Okay.
very concept way describe of the Greek people.
Okay.
Yeah, this is a story how the every man start magical things for increasing in their wealth.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
according to that concept,
Mm-hmm.
lottery. This is are the magical weapon.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Wow.
To
this is
become rich.
magical weapon of our greed.
Mm-hmm.
And this essay is actually the history part.
Mm-hmm.
That time, treasure hunting is a best way to increase their wealth.
Okay.
Okay.
Treasure
Yeah,
hunting.
I
Mm-hmm.
mean,
yeah,
when and how this like treasure hunt will
yeah.
happen, right?
Actually,
Came into play.
Come
this
in
is,
India.
yeah, this is the story of Germany.
Okay.
Okay.
When the many
Okay.
people start hiding their treasure, their wealth in form of treasure, then many more powerful people start treasure hunting for
Mm-hmm.
increasing their wealth, and
Okay.
they are so powerful as a government that
Mm-hmm.
they have a special code. Did not follow the rule and law and anything.
Mm-hmm.
This
Okay.
this reflect their the greed of their nature. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Ingredients, right.
yeah.
And my
And
topic,
what's
yeah, so my topic was, how uh, it was like Vikings. You guys are aware of Vikings?
yeah.
Yeah.
Viking.
So did they
Vikings.
shifted to America? This was my
It
topic.
is,
Like,
one second. Viking is a real story.
I Aditya, can you elaborate the meaning of Viking? Because I
Vikings.
don't.
Vikings are
Yeah.
Yeah,
people like they are, you can think of them as a civilization. You
yeah,
might have heard about it, or you have seen it in cartoons. Like they have what we can say horns like helmets on their heads. They always wear it, and they are
yeah.
mostly
Viking.
muscular person, both men and women. These
Yeah,
people in civilization, they are Vikings. Let me just wait. I'm just sharing a photo so that you can.
yeah. I know.
Yeah,
Viking is a famous TV series also.
yeah. It is. It is. It is.
Oh,
Yes.
Uh,
Let me just
yeah,
show. Mhm.
your topic is so interesting, bro.
Yeah, so my topic was like, did they really shifted from Europe or Asian countries to America? So this was my
Yeah.
topic, and at the end they
Yeah,
concluded like they
that
were.
that character
Oh,
Hmm.
is the
yeah.
best
Yeah.
character.
So these people are Vikings, right?
Yeah.
So
Today I know that this is the actual non-fiction character.
Non-fiction character.
actually at the end they like put it on all on the reader, like if they wanted it to be true or not. It just made it to us only. So they more
Okay, okay.
described like they were two archaeologists.
Yeah,
Yeah, sorry. So they were two archaeologists, husband and wife, and
mhm.
they like dig deeper into this topic. Like, did they really moved from that England to America? And also they have discussed about the Columbus. Like, he has a boat and he used to travel through the world. So did they find any connection between this and this was a basic thing. And they also gathered some information like what was it the folks, the stories are travel by from generation to generation, right? It may
Yes.
be a case like they are not properly scripted in any paper or sheet or paper or something. So they are just orally spoken by the people to people from generation to
Okay,
generation.
okay.
Yeah, so they just and there were two sagas actually, red saga and black saga. Yeah, so these were the two sagas that were discussed. Sagas are basically, yeah, these just orally spoken stories. These are called sagas. So there were two sagas. Like we also have Ramayana and Mahabharata, and we don't have
Yeah,
any written proof of those stories. They are just like depicted by generation to generation, and that
yeah,
how we have those stories with us right now. And we have lots of versions
hmm.
of Ramayana also, like Valmiki Ramayana and other Ramayans as well. So similarly, for the Viking story, they have like different stories through the generations to generations.
okay. Viking is the story from which country?
It was actually from this European continents, And
Oh,
yeah, and this essay they like discuss about if they really shifted from that European part to America also.
okay, okay. That's that's a good story.
Yeah.
The development of the kingdom of Europe.
Yeah,
I
actually
think
I always like
most
yes Anubhav.
I think most of our topic is like based on Europe, right?
Europe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Europe,
yeah,
Yeah,
Europe
yeah,
centered.
yeah.
Yeah, I get.
Yeah, yeah, that's the point, right?
yeah.
All of our
They
stories
have
are
different
based on
topic,
Europe
but
only.
the part is like same.
But Panjal, what do you say?
Okay.
We have
And
different topic, but the part
yeah.
yes, yes.
Okay. Let's discuss what we learn from these essays.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just a two point in a brief.
So
Okay, say Adi first you.
I have to think a little.
Okay, okay. Just
Yeah.
think, Anubhav.
Okay. So like
Just your point of
we
view in
see
this.
that Europe is so rich today, right? In
Yeah.
today modern day. So like the modern Europe like economy miracle was the result of contingent institutional outcomes.
Yeah. And we all know
It
that
was yeah
education,
it
yeah, education are almost free in Europe.
yeah it was
Hmm.
neither designed or not planned. Yeah, but
Yeah.
it happened, and once again it began. It generated self-reinforcing dynamic of
Okay, okay.
economic process,
Hmm.
basically.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's a good point. Okay, Amit.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I
J-
learned in this essay, because of history, we grow up much more in present and future with some less mistake, I think.
Yeah, basically you are saying that we learn from the history
yeah,
many
yes,
things,
Yeah,
and that is a exact true.
because of this, we make some innovative and less mistake, and we grow in future.
Yeah,
we learn from history something, and we try to grow,
avoid that
yeah,
mistake that we
avoid that
made in.
mistake and grow some and invent something new from
Yeah.
their resources, right?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
And you, Pranjal?
Yeah, uh, it is written like without time discipline, we could not have the instant energy of an industrial man. And whether this discipline come in the form of me- method, methodism or of nationalism, it come to the developing world. After World War means the countries like developing means it is started for developing no and yeah.
Okay. Adi?
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. So, like what I learned from this is that, like how the archaeologists and these people, this who are more interested to find out the actual history that we might had. So these are the people of like they have so much like they put pieces together to form a whole picture, and in
Okay.
some cases they don't have all the pieces also, but they try so hard to get details from small details from the region, like everything, like from the geographical geographical data sorry informations, then from the information from the people and everything, and they may like they collectively see into all these informations and form a history what we know today. Like no one knows the exact history, but these are the
Yeah.
people, these are the the actual persons who let us know about the history. So that is, I think, the most beautiful thing of them.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
And according to my essay,
Mm-hmm.
I learned from that we should control in our greed nature.
Hmm.
Every person
Yeah.
have a greed.
Right.
Yeah, according to on the view of money,
Mm-hmm.
name, fame, and anything. We
Mm-hmm.
should control it and respect other wealth, other fame.
Mm-hmm.
And another thing is that believe in tit for tat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Once we have a power, everyone. Once we have a power, if we do wrong things
Mm-hmm.
after after many times, many after many times that we have lost our powers, and then
Yeah,
the
yeah.
we
Mm-hmm.
know the value of tit for tat.
Yeah, right, right, right.
Yeah.
Yeah, and believe in hard work, because just a lottery gambling, this is not a
Right
good
path.
thing for increase their
Yeah.
wealth. It is
Mm-hmm.
just a black magic
Yeah.
Right.
in ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It's
that's all.
depend upon. I think it's depend upon our luck, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, yeah.
Yeah, it's more of a luck
That's
thing
totally
than the
like,
hard
I
work. It
think.
just
Yeah,
works on the luck only.
Yeah.
Gambling.
yeah, yeah.
Hmm. So I think
And
let's
it's
discuss about the words. Like what are the different words that we have learned from RSA, or any new
Yeah.
words that we got from RSA.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Wait, I got one word. Wait.
Okay, okay,
yeah.
say.
Yeah, you can just you can just open up your essays to just remind it again,
Yeah.
and after that you
Yeah.
can just see it.
I written in copy like
Okay, okay, just say Paranjal.
Yeah, let's start,
S
Pranjal.
S S W A T H E sweat.
Threat, sorry,
I
just
written.
write in the
I
chat.
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. It's better to write in chat.
Mhm.
1 minute, Adi.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Sweth, okay.
Yeah. It means
Yeah.
like cover, bind, or left something, right? But in British, it is about area. Area means the land or this all.
Yeah, large strip of area. Google
Yeah,
says
yeah.
that.
But we use this word for like something we left, like we bandage
Yeah, something for
our
covering.
this,
Mhm.
right, right.
Mhm. Okay.
And one word is and second one is like carry culture.
Fe-
1 minute.
Agriculture.
Sericulture.
Yeah.
Spericulture. Yeah, writing.
Carry culture. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Agriculture.
Carry culture.
Carry
It means
culture.
like our like our appearance or means her appearance and someone appearance and descriptions about something like right. And and another meaning like design, design character or something this
Is it
like
carry culture or a caricature?
Caricature, I
hey,
think.
sorry,
Agriculture.
sorry.
Pranjal, Pranjal,
Sorry,
just
sorry.
accept the request of Akhil.
No, it's not.
No, bro, I accept.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry, Pranjal is admin. Yeah, I thought.
But I 1 minute, 1 minute,
okay,
1 minute.
okay.
So Akhil is here with us.
Back. Welcome,
Hello.
Akhil.
Yeah, Akhil.
Welcome, Akhil.
Thank you, thank you. You guys haven't started yet, or
Yeah, we
you are
No, no,
already
no.
in
We
the.
are
Yes.
we are just finishing.
yeah we are
Oh,
actually in the
Just
verge.
conclude it, Adi, for
oh,
Akhil.
sorry.
Yeah, so we have
No,
we have started with the title things like what we got from the essay. Started from the title, and after that we have briefed it out like what
Give
we
some
got to
insight
know.
of. Give
Hmm.
some insight of it. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone gives some insight about their essays, and after that we are just right now we are discussing about the words that we got to know. from these
Okay,
essays.
okay. I will watch that. I will watch the video later. Okay.
Yeah,
No,
definitely,
no,
definitely.
Yeah.
You
you
can,
have to say about essay.
yeah, actually, you can just say about your essay, and you can,
Yeah,
place it. Hmm.
just a topic and
Topic and the
the
brief. Yeah,
as a brief and just a 2 point what you learned from that topic.
yeah.
I actually don't remember my topic of the essay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay,
Okay, no
okay.
problem.
That's all.
No
And
problem.
not even a brief because today it was a very much
Busy
busy
day for
day
you. Yeah.
for me
Not busy
because
day. We used one word, I think.
Which
We
word?
learned uh,
last, yeah, ice and our ice and all stuffs we used last in the last what
Session.
yeah, last session, last week session with Anubhav.
Okay. So
Yeah.
please
like,
just one more the word
Yeah. Swam.
fab.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm swamped with work. No, actually not swamped with work.
Tied up.
It was a
yeah.
kind of no, nothing like that. But
Yeah.
actually not work. Actually, due to some like people came to visit us, and then
Oh,
Yeah.
electricity went on, and one child came to ask me some doubts and all. So
Yeah.
about that,
Okay.
not
oh.
actually my work.
mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Pranjal, are we done with your words, like, or you have to tell some new words also?
And
Like until now you have told two
yeah,
words,
yeah.
right? Soet and
So,
caricature.
second word, third word is like stoked. One minute.
Just write in the chat section.
Oh,
Stoked.
stoked.
Okay. And what does it mean?
Uh,
Sorry,
it's
I said before.
like,
Okay, no problem. Let me just
oh,
Google it.
yeah.
Stoked.
ना I write कोयला भरने आपको means
Add fuel to fire. It's saying, Google is saying.
to stake up a fire.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, something we put on to just increase the fire, something like that, right?
Fire, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And in his uh, the-
Yeah, that's all, or you have to add few more words, Pranjal?
oh man,
Okay, so Anubhav, what were your words? I can see
Yeah.
macabre, macabre. I don't know how to
Wait,
pronounce
but
it.
for a second, I'm just writing, and after that,
Yeah,
I will tell. Yeah.
macabre, macabre, macabre.
Wait,
Let's
I'll
see
tell.
its pronunciation.
Yeah.
Macabre,
Macabre.
macabre,
Oh,
oh, macabre,
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 macabre.
macabre, yeah, macabre.
I just googled it and it said macabre. And next one is under life, under
yeah.
lie,
These are the three words
provocative,
which I learned.
provocative.
Yeah. First one is macabre.
Hmm.
Macabre is like Bhayankar or some kind. Gruesome. Another synonyms is gruesome.
Okay, is it something like what we can say, bhayanak or something,
Yeah,
frightening,
no.
scary?
It's and I think it's giant, है ना? Yo, giant,
Yeah.
yeah,
Giant
giant.
is actually huge. We have
Uh,
uh,
horrible, I think.
horrible. Yeah,
Yeah,
actually,
gruesome and frightening are the like
Yeah,
you say synonym of that. Frightening, yeah, and
bhayankar,
frightening, gruesome.
brutal,
Yeah, gruesome is a new word. Yeah. So,
fright.
example like a memorable series of murder shocked us, right? Example
Hmm.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second one is underlie.
Underlie.
Underlie is नींव रखना है, fundamental, or
Okay, yeah,
fundamental.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
basics. Underline.
Yeah.
And
And
provocative.
and the third one is provocative.
Hmm.
Provocative is like some curious, right? I think annoying, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. And one example is where he got offended by a
Provocative article.
provocative article. Yeah.
Okay.
These
So
are the
these,
three words which I learned from that also.
that's nice. And
Yeah.
what about you, Amit?
Yeah.
What's your dictionary today?
Here is the word.
Which
Well,
dictionary?
perplexities and
First is perplexities, means उलझने,
okay.
and second one is spiritual,
Mm-hmm.
means आध्यात्मिक,
Mm-hmm.
and wonder. Wonder means आश्चर्य, you know,
Yeah.
Yep.
uh, and
Great.
unsettling. Actually, unsettling means बेचैनी,
Mm-hmm.
uh, and then grief.
Yeah.
Grief means
So,
शोक or
mm-hmm.
खेद,
Yeah,
like
sorrow
yeah,
and sadness,
yeah,
something like that.
yeah. And burst.
Mm-hmm.
Burst means विस्फोट.
Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
and TD. TD
Tidy.
means soft.
Yeah.
Tidy.
Mm-hmm.
Soft.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's tidy.
Mm-hmm. Tidy, tidy.
Tidy. Okay. Thank you. And tells.
Tales.
Tells.
Tales. Yeah.
Yeah,
Tales.
stories basically.
Yeah. Tells means कहानियाँ,
Yeah,
story.
yeah.
Yeah.
And Rishabh, what about
That's
you?
all for my side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just typing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is a 5 word. That's a new for me.
Okay.
Craft. Craft.
First,
Okay.
Which
first is witchcraft.
Kala Jadoo.
This is, yeah, this is the
Yeah.
meaning of practice of magic.
Black magic, practicing
Actually,
black
black
magic.
magic.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Second is avaricious.
Avaricious. Yeah.
Avaricious, like,
Avaricious. Avaricious.
Avaricious,
Yes.
actually, avaricious.
Avaricious.
yeah. This is the meaning of this word is having and showing a extreme level of greed in the point
Okay.
of view of wealth.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Third word is burgomaster.
Google Master. Yeah,
Google
nice word.
Master.
Yeah, this
Nice
is
to
the another word
pronunciate.
of the mayor of Dutch.
Mayor of Dutch.
Dutch.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mayor of Dutch.
Me-
Dutch is
Dutch
one
country.
city. Okay, it's the country. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Antiquated.
Okay. And last, second, fourth word is fast.
Fast.
It's mean, yeah, this means a magician which
Okay.
uh, of the German legend
Okay.
Okay.
who entered in a conflict of a black magic.
Magic. Okay. Just
Okay.
a magician who is just like he's not actually into witchcraft, but he knows
Uh,
witchcraft, something like that, maybe.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
the person who manipulate everything, just like,
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh,
And
And
last one
last
is.
word is
Fast.
agrarian. This
Mhm.
is the a person advocate
Uh-huh.
who is responsible and who is in charge of redistribution of landed property.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah,
so much new words. Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
I'll use
that's
it
all.
in sometime. Yeah.
Yeah, avaricious is a nice word for greedy
Yeah.
people, and also that's a new
Yeah,
word actually.
Yeah.
And
Showing so much grief, right?
yeah,
Rishabh?
yeah.
greed.
Greed,
Greed,
lalach,
greed,
Greed.
not
Yeah.
grief.
Okay.
Greed.
extreme lalach.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think like you like this aces like Rishabh's topic was little bit nice. I
Yeah,
read the
that's
topic one
interesting
for
topic.
me.
Witchcraft, yeah, it was related to witchcraft, yes. And
Yeah,
so,
this is the combination of black magic, greed, government, and the
mm-hmm.
history,
That's
Yeah,
mindset. Yeah,
yeah. So my words were, fleet and antiquated. So fleet
yeah,
is basically a group of ships, you can say,
yeah,
and antiquated is just history of something. It's called antiquated. Like we
oh,
know the word antique, right?
yeah,
So it's
Antique.
related to that, antiquated. And after that I got to know about like in when we were in schools, we got to know about what we plural and singular things, right? Like
yeah,
yeah.
the colony of ants, the bunch of flowers or something like that. So I got to know about like the group of what we can say, the one word for group of fishes. So that is, it's called
Mm.
school of fishes. School.
Okay.
School of fishes, and also it's sometimes it's called pods. So
Pods.
pod is, yeah, pod. I'm just right. Pod. Yeah. Pod and school of fishes. School of fishes means just group of fishes. So these are the words I can say.
Okay. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, so I think we have like
Word.
done. Yeah, we have covered everything, I think, and it's 30 minute.
Yeah, yeah. Amit, bro, today's session.
What?
Just right.
Just
What?
conclude the session.
Just say, say in brief what we done in today's session.
Hmm. Hello, Amit.
Uh,
Hmm.
yeah. So we all are discussed about history, mainly history, because we all have topic is we all was topic is history. Uh,
Yes.
then
Okay.
we discuss about the everyone which topic which is which he have, uh, and also uh,
All topic related to Europe, some kind of Europe history,
Yeah.
related to Europe
yeah
history,
yeah
right?
yeah
Yeah.
and also everyone
Yeah.
gives two point about what he learned about that topic.
Yeah. And lastly, we know the we share our
Yeah,
Yes, we shared some new words which
We learned
we
from the
learned from.
essays, right?
Yeah,
yeah,
Right,
yeah.
right.
yeah,
that's it. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
all. So I think let's just wrap it, right?
Yep.
yeah.
So bye bye, take care.
Bye
Bye.
bye.